Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running the new ChromeOS Flex in a Proxmox VM. So the first thing we need to do is prepare the installation media. So fire up a Chromium-based browser, navigate to the extension store, and search for Chromebook Recovery. Select Chromebook Recovery Utility and install the extension. Once it's installed, open the Chromebook Recovery Utility, click the Get Started button, and then select a model from a list. Scroll down and select Google ChromeOS Flex, and then ChromeOS Flex again. Then click Continue. Select the target to write the install media to, then click Continue, and Create Now. Creating the install media will take somewhere between 5 minutes and forever, and I ran into several issues booting the flash media created by the recovery utility. So what I ended up doing is finding out where the utility was downloading the recovery image to, and writing it to a flash media with the Lena Etcher. Once the installation media is created, plug it into the Proxmox host, navigate to the Proxmox web UI and log in. Right-click on the target Proxmox node and create VM. Give the new VM an ID and a name. Select Do Not Use Any Media and leave the type as Linux. Leave all the defaults on the System tab. Change the bus or device to SATA and set the disk size to at least 16 gigabytes. Give the VM 2 or more cores and set the CPU type to host. Give the VM 4 gigabytes of memory and leave the defaults on the Network tab. Click on the newly created ChromeOS Flex VM to select it, then select Hardware. Next click Add, USB Device, then select the Chromebook Recovery USB Flash Media, and click Add. Double-click the display option, and change the graphic card to VirtIO GPU, and click OK. Next, select Options, Boot Order, enable booting from USB and drag it to the top of the boot order list, and click OK. Now power on the VM by clicking the Start button. After a short boot animation, click Get Started. Then click Next to install CloudReady 2.0. Click Install CloudReady, and then install again to confirm. The actual installation only takes about 2 minutes. Once the installation completes, click the Shutdown drop-down and select Stop. Navigate back to the VM hardware setup. Select the USB device and click Remove and Yes to confirm. Then click Start again to power on the virtual machine. Click the Get Started button. ChromeOS should detect the Ethernet connection. Click Next. Select whether you want to help improve ChromeOS and click Accept and Continue. Then select You and click Next. Sign in with your Google credentials. Click Accept and Continue. Choose whether you want to share your hardware information with Google, and then click Accept and Continue. Choose whether you'd like to use Google Assistant, and choose whether you'd like to connect to your phone. Then click Get Started to finish the setup. Welcome to ChromeOS Flex, running in Proxmox as a virtual machine. You'll notice from the footage that there's some graphical issues with running this VM, but otherwise it seems functional.